రైట్గా ఢిల్లీలో జరుగుతున్న సిఐ సమావేశంలో ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Not only collecting data for application of any use cases, even CCTV cameras have come, wearables have come, IoTs have come, sensors have come, all real-time data if you can collect. Tools are available to arrive decisions accuracy. Then knowledge is available. Only we need entrepreneurs. No other country is having better entrepreneurs compared to India. You write down, tomorrow we are going to rule globally and also we are going to provide services globally in the near future. That is my assessment. It is going to happen now. That's why I am saying very inspiring time. So in this background, I was Chief Minister for the 4th time and also have seen leaders also. For the country also, right time, right leader, that is Narendra Modi. That is the best advantage India is enjoying as on today. If you see 10 years back, we are in 10th economy. Today, we are 4th largest economy. Another 2 years, we are going to become 3rd largest economy. Up to now, or up to 3rd largest economy, we don't have competition. It is by usual we are able to reach. Now real competition has started now. India and China 4.5 times. India and America around 7 times. This is where all of us should ready. Because industry, you must be get ready now. In this crucial time, public policy is also very important. If a government can create good public policy, then all of you can work hard and have a leapfrog development. Then nobody can beat India. Even some small countries are taking advantage. But in the initial stage, they are having advantage. But ultimately, only India, China, and America, these are all the 3 economies, they are going to sustain in the long term. In this background, we are having some problems also. Even today, I am seeing product perfection. We are having lot of all of us has to do so many efforts. Always, I'm telling you one more thing. On producing global products, we are weak. When I started IT, I used to promote IT. At that time, only our people used to do job work. America daytime, we are having night time. They are night time, we are having daytime. That's own advantage. All doctors, they used to write prescriptions and send copies to us. We used to type it and send morning. Doctor used to get ready information for acting. I used to say at that time, this won't help us. Go for products. But we are unable to move that fast. There, if you see global companies, India is doing extremely well, all IT companies. But in attaining global products, we are lagging behind. Even not only IT products or any manufacturing everywhere, if you see, that is the biggest challenge for us. Now time. We have to move in that direction. That is where in this forum, 10 years is very inspiring time, I can say. But if you position, if you use, we will do wonders. From my state, always while promoting India, I am having my own agenda. That is how to promote Andhra Pradesh. Earlier, I promoted combined Andhra Pradesh. I created best ecosystem Hyderabad. Because of bifurcation, it has gone to Telangana. Now, because of Hyderabad, 75% revenue is coming from Hyderabad for Telangana. Today, I can say proudly, Telangana highest per capita income in the country. All these things happened 25 years time. And also most livable city of our standards. Now, God has given me one more opportunity to create one more city. That is Amaravati. Hyderabad was a brownfield city. Amaravati is a greenfield city. Lot of opportunities. I am requesting all of you to have better name for tomorrow. You should be partners in building Amaravati. I am telling you, it will be the best city in the near future. All Indians can be proud of it. That is where we are planning in a big way. Another thing, we are planning for next 22 years, 15% growth rate. Then only, we are going to become developed nation, but we should not trap in middle income group. That is also one more issue all of us has to keep it in mind. This is also important issue. 15% growth rate, 2.4 trillion US economy, from 2.66 lakh rupees per capita to 55 lakhs over a period of 22 years. All industrialists are here. You have done extremely well, sometimes 10 years, 20 years time. Why can't I do for my people? That is my determination. I am working in that direction. That is the one thing I wanted to inform you. Earlier, 95s, high-tech city, IT I promoted. Now, Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence. That is my slogan now. First quantum computing is coming to Amaravati in India. TCS, IBM, L&T, they agreed to set up. Work is going on. By January, it will be in full operation. All of you I am inviting, use this quantum computing for better results of your business. This is where we have wanted to integrate all these things. Investment always I am using ease of doing business. Now I have changed my gear to speed of doing business. Now speed is very essence. Not only ease of doing business, speed of doing business. That is where we are doing. Recently, ArcelorMittal steel plant is coming nearly 1,43,000 crores. BPCL refinery in Ramayapatnam, and also Aramco also as partner. TCS is starting in Visakhapatnam. LG Electronics in Sri City. Even Google, we are talking to them to invite to Visakhapatnam. And also with data center and also with analytics. That is the biggest facility they are going to create in the near future. Andhra Pradesh is well positioned. One is traditional industries, infrastructure. Anybody wanted to test also, you can test. I am assuring you, from the beginning I am giving this assurance. Once you file an application, it is my responsibility. Then from then onwards, we will work with you for execution without any problems. Even site selection, everything, all clearances, everything I will get it done in a record time. That is our assurance for all of you. Andhra Pradesh is well positioned for green energy. This is another advantage. Solar, wind, pumped energy, and also if you can produce green energy, transmission lines, storage, and also finally even green ammonia, nitrogen you can go, then ports are available. No other state is having this advantage. Some states are having some solar, some states may have some wind, but all put together, number one state for green energy and downstream industries, Andhra Pradesh for exports. You write down, you come to Andhra Pradesh, I will give you all the facilities in this regard. I am planning in a big way. As on today, if you see, our Honorable Prime Minister has given an announcement, 500 gigawatts. In that, we are going to provide nearly 160 gigawatts of green energy, only from Andhra Pradesh. Already 65 to 70 gigawatts we are able to come to understanding also. All composition put together, either solar and wind and pumped energy. This is the model we are working. NTPC and also our state government, NEDCO joint venture, 1,85,000 crores they announced for green hydrogen. Even AM Green Co, they are going in a big way for green energy, and also so many companies are showing interest. We are working in that direction.